Ever wondered how ChatGPT answers your questions, or how AI systems like Google's Gemini seem to know so much? AI is everywhere these days, from chatbots to voice assistants, but a lot of people still don't get how it actually works. Today, I'm going to break down the processes that make AI systems like ChatGPT, Gemini, and others tick. First off, what is AI? Artificial intelligence, or AI, is all about machines mimicking human-like thinking and decision-making. We've got narrow AI, which is task-specific, like ChatGPT. And then there's general AI, which is still theoretical and aims to do anything a human can. So how do AI models like ChatGPT work? It all starts with data and training. Engineers fed massive amounts of text, think books, articles, websites, into the model. The AI looks for patterns in language and meaning. Next up is the training process. Supervised learning uses labeled data, while unsupervised learning finds patterns in unlabeled data. Neural networks replicate how our brains work. These networks help AI recognize patterns in huge data sets like language, images, and even sounds. After initial training, models like ChatGPT undergo fine-tuning to make their responses more relevant and safe. So, how does ChatGPT actually respond to questions? When you type something in, ChatGPT first breaks down your prompt, trying to understand what you're asking. It looks for keywords and context to interpret the question. Then, it predicts the most likely response based on the patterns it learned from its training data. ChatGPT doesn't pull exact answers from a database. It generates answers word by word, predicting the next most likely word based on what it has learned. And it can remember the conversation flow to keep responses relevant over multiple exchanges. Now, how are other AI models like Google's Gemini different? Google's Gemini focuses heavily on integrating multimodal data, meaning it can understand and generate not just text but images and video too. While ChatGPT excels in conversation and generating human-like text, Gemini can dive into more complex tasks, like analyzing both text and visual data together. There are other models like Bard, each with unique features for different tasks. But let's not forget the limitations of AI. AI doesn't actually understand the world like we do. It's great at mimicking human responses, but it doesn't have emotions, experiences, or consciousness. Sometimes AI gets things wrong because it doesn't fully understand the context or nuance of a conversation. And AI can inherit biases from the data it's trained on, which is why it's important to keep refining these models. To wrap it up, AI models like ChatGPT and Gemini use massive data, neural networks, and fine-tuning to generate human-like responses. While they're incredibly powerful, they're still evolving. So, what would you ask an AI if you could ask anything? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe for more insightful videos on AI and tech. See you next time.